So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to purchase my 500 plus background manipulation essentials. And I'm going to show you certain things you have to know before you purchase this. So when you visit my store, this is the official digital store for GitK photography. And then when you move up here, this is where you can change your currency. If you're Ghanaian, if you're Nigerian, if you're Uganda, and so on, Rwanda and everything. So for example, if you are a Ghanaian, just have to click on this, and if you're Nigerian, you have to click on this. Yes. So but let's use dollars for universal. So this goes for just $7.95. It's really super packed. I'm going to give you an overview of how it is. So you just have to give it a click. It comes with its details. Definitely have to know what you're about to download. So this product contains PNG, overlays, background, and then the setup, the full size is 450 megabytes. Yes, so you also prepare for your data as well. Yes, there's many more products I have on my digital store, but before I show you them, I want to show you the overview of what it entails. And there's a 500 plus background manipulation. So I'll quickly show you my folder. Yes, so as the folder says 541, and then the package itself says 500 plus background manipulation essentials. So definitely it's going to be over 500. And when you check this, you are going to get whatever you need for your photo manipulation, your background manipulation, your anything you want to do using PNG overlays and background. You are going to get it in here. It's really super packed, which is going to help you your manipulation or photography game. Yes, so I'll urge you to get this for yourself. It's going for a cool $7.95. Yes, initially when it came, it was free for a limited time, but this time around it's just going for a token. Yes, so I'll urge you to get it before the prices go up. Yes, there's actually an affordable price to at least give this to the community. So this is another way of also helping me to get something here and supporting my channel as well. But this and many more I have on my digital store. I have a full advanced GitK retouching pack, which is super pack. Yes, it contains 20 actions, which is going to help you in your retouching game. You can also get that one for yourself. I also have skin tones, rich skin tones. Yes, and when you move to the first page, I also have other digital products. I have backgrounds, I have snoots, I have Canva, painted Canva backdrops. I also have an ultimate photo editing course, which is also going for just a $19.85, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to leave the link below, so you also go check it out for yourself, so you can also purchase something from there. This is also going for $3.97. So this is actually an affordable end where you can get your photography editing needs. Yes, I'm looking forward in seeing you. Peace out.